Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 52. On your page 53, we are on Unit 5. Let's take a look at Lesson 5, Exam Practice. Activity 1, look at the picture and read the story. So later I will play an audio. So this is AI voice. And then you will need to write some words to complete the sentences about the story on page 53. You can use up to 4 words. So at the skate park. So now I'll play the audio.
Lena got a skateboard and a helmet for her birthday. They were very expensive because her mom is worried about safety. Cheaper equipment isn't as safe as expensive equipment, she told Elena. Yesterday Elena went to the skate park to practice skateboarding. The park is very popular, so it was crowded. She saw her friend Liam and went over to speak to him. "Hi, Elena. Is that your new skateboard?" he asked. "Yes, it is," she replied. "I want to try something new, and keep fit and healthy at the same time." Elena put on all her equipment, helmet, gloves and pads. Then she rode her skateboard down the skate park slope. She felt very happy. It was just as exciting as everyone said. Then suddenly she realized that she didn't know how to stop. She screamed. The skateboard was going too fast and Elena was terrified. She jumped off just before she hit a tree, but then she fell over. Her friend Liam ran to help her. "Elena, are you okay?" he asked. "Yes, Ella, I'm not hurt," she replied. "It's a good thing my mom bought all the right safety equipment. It protected me. Maybe skateboarding isn't as easy as I thought." "I can teach you," said Liam. "Come on."
So next we go to page 53. So this is example here. Elena got a skateboard as a birthday present. Elena's mom chose expensive equipment because it was safer. Then we take a look at the questions here. Number 1. There were a lot of people at the skate park because it is. So this is popular. And number 2. Liam is Elena's friend. And number 3. Elena wants to skateboard to stay fit and healthy. And then we have number 4. To protect her, Elena wore a, so this one can up to 4 words, helmet. And then she needs gloves and pads. Number 5. Elena screamed because she was terrified. So double R here. And then also double I. So terrified. Number 6. She wasn't hurt when she fell over. Double L and then over. Number 7. Liam offered to teach her how to skateboard. So teach her. And then next we go to lesson 6, learning to learn. Activity 1. Look at the bus timetable and find the information. So as you can see here, from Monday to Saturday, so there is no service on Sunday. So this is the departures. So depart from this location. So we have this AM, meaning in the morning, and then PM in the afternoon. So if you notice carefully, we have this asterisk symbol here or sign here. So it indicates this service does not run on holidays. So we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locations. So morning session we have 3 times. Afternoon session we have 3 times for the same location. So this is the timetable. You will need to interpret a bit. So if you notice carefully, so from 9:20 we go to next station. So it's about 10 minutes. So later you will need to calculate the duration or time taken from one location to another location. So we have number 1. So which day of the week can you not travel? So of course it is Sunday because it runs on weekdays and Saturdays. And then let's take a look at number 2. So where does the bus start from? So where meaning this is location. So you will need to see the depart location. So number 2. So we need to find the first location here. So the answer is Town Square. So all the first alphabet is uppercase, and then the second word also, the first alphabet is uppercase also. So square. And then we go to number 3. What time is the first bus in the morning? First bus, so you need to see the first row here. So this is the header. So the first row and the first time for this one. So it's in the morning. It's 9:20 a.m. So 9:20 a.m. And then we go to number 4. How often does it run in the afternoon? So how often? So in the afternoon. So for each location 3 times. So it is 3 times. THREE times. And number 5. How long does it take from Town Square to Brookway? So Town Square to Brookway here. So it's from 9:20, and then it takes about 10 minutes to go to Center Station, and then another 10 minutes to Greenland, and then another 50 minutes to go to Brookway. So as you can see here, so this is, I will visualize the time. So Town Square 9:20, and then until 9:55 if you reach Brookway. So from 9:20 until 9:55. So this is around, so we have these 10 minutes, 10, 20, and then 30, and then 35. So this is 9:55. So around 35 minutes. So write as 35 mathematical figure and then minutes. So this minutes in plural form. Number 6. How long does it take from Greenland to the high street? So we highlight with asterisk or star. So Greenland to High Street. So it's 9:40. So 9:40 until 10:25. So we have from here to here is around 20 minutes, and then we add up to 10:25. So 10:25, another 25 minutes. So 20 plus 25 equals 45 minutes. So around 45 minutes. Number 7. How long is the whole journey from Town Square to the High Street? So it takes around, so if you notice carefully, so if you take a look here from 9:20 to 10:20 is around 1 hour, and then plus another 5 minutes. So it's around 1 hour and 5 minutes. So 1 hour, 5 minutes. So if 2 hours, we need to add s here. So because this is 1 hour, you don't need to add s here. So 5 minutes, we need to add s for minutes. HOUR. Next, we take a look at number 8. Which service does not run if it is a holiday? So this is an asterisk sign here. So this is called 6 p.m. service. So 6 p.m. service. So this service does not run if it is a holiday. So as stated below. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 52 on your page 53. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.